Chinese cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, textures, and colors that is easy to recreate at home. Among the endless array of options, 5 particular dishes stand out for their simplicity and deliciousness. These recipes allow you to experience the essence of Chinese cooking without requiring extensive culinary skills or hard-to-find ingredients. First on our list is the iconic fried rice. A beloved comfort food, it can be customized with an array of vegetables, proteins, and sauces. Start with day-old rice for the best texture. Saute ingredients such as carrots, peas, and green onions in a hot wok, adding soy sauce for depth. Incorporate the rice, stirring quickly to mix. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil for a nutty aroma, creating a dish rich in flavor and satisfaction. Next, we have sweet and sour chicken, a vibrant dish that balances tangy and sweet flavors. Coat chicken pieces in a light batter, frying them to a golden crisp. Prepare the sweet and sour sauce by combining vinegar, sugar, and ketchup, which gives a beautiful glaze when tossed with bell peppers and pineapple chunks. This dish embodies the perfect harmony of taste and appearance, making it a favorite at family gatherings. Moving on, we can't forget about classic egg drop soup. This quick and comforting soup is made by whisking beaten eggs into simmering chicken broth. Add fresh scallions and a sprinkle of white pepper for a hint of spice. The delicate ribbons of egg floating in the broth create an inviting visual, while the warmth of the soup makes it an excellent starter or side dish. Our fourth recipe is kung pao chicken, a spicy stir-fry that tantalizes the taste buds with its combination of flavors and crunch. Begin by marinating chicken in soy sauce and cornstarch before stir-frying with peanuts, bell peppers, and dried chilies. The sauce, made from soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar, provides a rich, savory taste that pairs perfectly with the crunch of peanuts, giving this dish an exciting contrast. Finally, we have an easy vegetable lo mein. Using fresh or frozen vegetables, this dish is all about the flavorful noodles. Boil the noodles until tender, then stir-fry with a mix of veggies such as broccoli, bok choy, and carrots. Toss in a stir-fry sauce made from soy sauce and a hint of ginger, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. This quick meal is perfect for busy weeknights, bringing a taste of China to your dinner table.